the Super Bowl Sunday. Congrats to the Chiefs who won the Super Bowl. And I decided to make medieval beef biscuits. The ingredients I used are salt, Knorr, a sparkle wine, butter, my beef biscuits. And the first thing I did was put my pan on fire. Let it get warm a little bit. Then I decided to add my butter. I let the butter steam up a little bit before make it hot a little bit before adding my onions, and I gave it a little bit of time for it to to get warm. I mixed everything together, and what I did next was add my beef biscuits to the to my pot right there. I mixed everything up a little bit, then added my sparkle wine because we're making it classy today. And the next thing I did was add my salt, just a little bit of salt, add a little bit of Knorr. Immediately I added my Knorr, I mixed everything together, the juice and all that good stuff. And what I did was I let it steam up a little bit. Make everything, just boil, cook. That was what I did there. And after letting it cook for about 10 minutes, I brought it out of my pot. And the next thing that I did was cut my beef biscuit into mini pieces, like you see right there. It's not cooked yet, so my next step will be cutting my beef biscuit into mini pieces and putting it into my sear pan. So at this point in time, like you see right there, I'm cutting everything into mini pieces. And since I'll be putting on the sear pan, I don't want it to burn, so I decided to add a little bit of oil to my sear pan, add a little bit of groundnut oil. Then at the same time also I decided to add a little bit of butter to it. And you see right there, I'm adding a little bit of butter because I don't want my biscuit to burn. And all of a sudden I just decided to add my cooked beef biscuit to my sear pan. And what I'm trying to do is just make everything steam up together. And there's something special about putting, using my sear pan to cook my beef biscuit. And you see right there, once you let it cook a little bit on each side and you see the mark, try to flip it a little bit. You can't walk away, so it doesn't burn. So you have to keep an eye on it. So yeah, just gradually take your time, don't rush. And that's what I'm doing right here. Let it probably on each side, let it cook on each side for about 4 minutes ish. Let it cook on both sides for like 4 minutes. And for the most part, I tell people cook it to your taste. Some people like it well done, some people like it rare done, but at this point in time, I'll always love my meat well done. So that is what I'm doing right here. Let it cook well done. You see right there, to some extent I don't see the blood anymore, so I'm at that point where I know, yeah, my medieval beef brisket is literally well done. So like I said, don't take your time, cook it to your taste, sear it to your taste. And that is what I'm doing right here. That guy looks so juicy, and right now I'm so ready to have some. So at this point in time, this guy is well done and I'm ready to eat. Let's see what the meat looks like. You see right there, that guy looks well done. I want to appreciate you guys for what you do. Don't forget to hit that like button. Try to share also. And I really do appreciate everything you guys do. I really appreciate everything you guys do. If you've not subscribed, try to also hit that subscription button. Subscribe to watch more. Thanks.